Nice and very good day from Frankfurt Airport. Today, our flight to Barcelona on board Lufthansa's Airbus A320 CEO with a pretty nice Star Alliance livery as far as I've seen. By the way, I just arrived here with a train which was more than 1 hour delayed. So yeah, as always, I'm kind of late for my flight because the gate is already about to close in 15 to 20 minutes, so I really have to hurry up now. Fingers crossed for me. See you in the plane. Cheers. And of course, feel free to enjoy the upcoming report with me. Welcome to Terminal A. As you can already see, Lufthansa has a huge check-in and bag drop-off area in here, as expected, as Frankfurt is one of Lufthansa's main hubs. And up there you can already see my flight to Barcelona, which is already boarding. So yeah, let's head to the security control as soon as possible and just hope that I will still get it. And of course, there was also a big duty-free shop right behind the security control here in Frankfurt. Officially my gate already closed 5 minutes ago, but over there you can see my plane. It's still there. It was the one with the Star Alliance tail. Alright guys, believe it or not, but I somehow made it to the airplane. I don't know how, because I'm already 5 to 10 minutes over the gate closing time, but I made it. And it seems like I was the last one. Servus. Dankeschön. Oops. Made it. So, let's check out the view outside. Pretty decent, not too bad, nothing to complain about. The legroom is, yeah, it's okay for an A320, I would say average. We have a foldable table in front, as well as some magazines, nothing special. So yeah, let's head over to Barcelona.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again your captain.
Please have a look at the information card in the seat pocket in front of you, which explains the safety instructions. In this card you will also find the illustration for the safety position which you may have to adjust in the event of an emergency landing. Please take particular note of the location of the emergency exits. They are marked accordingly. Illuminated strips on the floor will guide you to these exits. Remember that the nearest exit may be located behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all personnel belongings aboard.
The cabin crew secured the cabin for takeoff. My seatbelt is now securely fastened. And we are on the runway. So let's get this bird off to Barcelona.
Jederzeit unerwartete Turbulenzen auftreten können, sind Sie verpflichtet, sich anzuschnallen, sobald Sie Ihren Sitzplatz eingenommen haben. Dies dient der eigenen Sicherheit und gilt auch dann, wenn die Anschaltzeichen ausgeschaltet sind. Sollten Sie während des Fluges ein Gepäckfach öffnen, dann achten Sie bitte darauf, dass keine Gegenstände herausfallen können. As turbulence can occur unexpectedly at any time, you're required to fasten your seatbelt whenever you are seated. This is in the interest of your own safety and applies even when the seatbelt signs are switched off. If you open and overheat it during the flight, please make sure that items cannot fall out.
On short-haul flights, Lufthansa offers a small bottle of water, as well as these small chocolate bars for free, as well as further items for purchase like sandwiches, snacks and drinks, which we will be checking out now. So here is Lufthansa's new in-flight menu called Onboard Delights, which was introduced in spring 2021 as far as I know. So what do we have? We have a wide variety of different snacks and drinks, but also sandwiches and salad bowls and wraps and everything. They also offer these special meal deals, which I will be trying out now as well, but I honestly don't know yet what I will take. Alright, here is my meal. I decided to go for this sweet chili chicken sandwich as well as a lemonade maracuja juice. So I will just say, let's try it out. It doesn't look too bad actually, having in mind that this is only for €7 as well. Well, let's try. Hello from the rear lavatory of this Airbus A320 aircraft. How is this flight so far? Honestly, it's pretty pleasant. The crew is in a really good mood, and also the in-flight service was really good. I had a chicken sandwich with some maracuja lemonade, as you've already seen probably, and it was really good. It tasted fresh and everything was good, and it was only for €7 available, so yeah, thanks Lufthansa for this nice experience so far. And I would say let's take a quick look at the lavatory itself. So we have the wash basin here. And the water is getting warm, pretty cool. As well as some more paper towels on the right hand side. So far so good. Let's head back to my seat. We have just started with our descent into Barcelona airport over the Mediterranean Sea. So last but not least, I would like to show you guys the safety card of today's A320, which is nothing too special at all. Furthermore, here's the race bag and a quick information as well. I'll just show that quickly. I was so far unable to find any USB power outlets under the seat, so yeah, unfortunately Lufthansa has not equipped their A320 aircraft with these power outlets, which is kind of disappointing for a 5-star airline, but anyway.
We are now starting our approach into Barcelona. Kindly make sure that your hand baggage is against stored safely and does not block an aisle or an emergency exit. Laptops must be switched off and stored in your hand baggage. You may keep larger devices such as mobile phones and tablets in your hands. Please also make sure that your seatbelt is firmly fastened. Zur Landung stellen Sie doch bitte noch die Rücklehne der Sitze senkrecht, klappen Sie die Tasche zurück und öffnen Sie bitte alle Sonnennetz. In preparation for landing, please make sure that your seatbelt is upright, your table folded away, and the window shade is raised. Willkommen in Barcelona, meine Damen und Herren. Bitte bleiben Sie noch so lange angeschnallt sitzen, bis die Anschnallzeichen ausgeschaltet worden sind. Im Namen von Kapitän Bent und der gesamten Besatzung danken wir Ihnen, dass Sie heute Lufthansa Airline für Ihre Reise gewählt haben. Nachdem wir die Parkposition erreicht haben, öffnen Sie die Staufächer über den Sitzen bitte vorsichtig, damit keine Gegenstände herausfallen können. Wir wünschen Ihnen einen schönen Abend hier in Barcelona oder eine angenehme und sichere Weiterreise. Vielen Dank und auf Wiedersehen.
Time to say goodbye to my C24 Fox. Bye bye, it was a pleasure. So let's head outside. Well, time to say goodbye to today's Lufthansa Airbus A320 with the registration Delta-Alpha India Zulu November, if I remember correctly. So, thank you for taking me to Barcelona safe and sound. So, let's go for the final question. How was today's flight? Well, today's flight was pretty pleasant, as I've already said it in the Lavatory in flight. There is also not too much to say about it because it was a really short one. However, what I have to point out is the nice attitude of the cabin crew. They were really cool and kind. And also I really enjoyed the in-flight service, even though I don't appreciate that they don't have a complimentary service anymore, that they just serve this small chocolate bar and the small bottle of water for free, and the rest has to be purchased. This is a thing I don't expect from a 5-star airline, because this is what Lufthansa calls itself. So yeah, it's really difficult to make a point down below. The food was really good, however I would have expected it to be for free. Anyway, thank you guys for coming along for today's trip report. I'll now spend the next days in Barcelona, and I wish you guys a great day, great evening, great night, whatsoever. Thank you guys for coming along today, and have a great one. Cheers.